How to fix Instagram music not showing. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up Instagram application in your mobile device. And just like that, you can simply tap on your story. Take a quick picture or video. And just like that, simply tap on this audio button. Now insert your search for any of your popular artists or song. If you don't see many results or songs are missing, your library is restricted. To fix that, you can simply head back to your Instagram feed, then tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three-line icon. And here you will be able to find an option that says Account Center. Tap on Connected Experience. And just like that, tap on Sharing across your profiles. Now you can simply tap on your Instagram account. You can turn off automatic sharing for posts, stories, and reels. Now head back to Settings, then simply tap on Account Type and Tools. Right over here, simply tap on Switch to Professional Account, and just like that, tap on Next. Now select what describes you the best, then switch to Professional Account. Tap on OK. And if you're using a business or creator account, you can switch to Personal Account. This is a key step that unlocks more music. After that, you can simply head back and then check your story or reel again. Tap on the music icon, and just like that, you should see more artists, more tracks, and more trending sounds. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.